Hello there again, guys. Welcome back to my channel. Today I have a new invention, model slash animation to show you guys. This animation is basically going over my flotation generator. Well, it's just an idea I had to generate power from floating objects to different heights. So let's go over the components. Alright, the components are quite simple, and I didn't put too much detail into animating them, but that's just to illustrate a point. Now, surrounding the whole thing, we have a pressurized box, which is transparent. The box is suspended on top of a body of water. It holds in air and keeps the water levels inside the system stable. The box encloses a mechanism that requires a constant pressure and water level for it to function. Now, there are two pipes, both partly suspended in water. The bigger pipe is the one that the ball traverses upward, and this is where we get our energy. Now on the bigger pipe, it's bent an L shape. On the ends, there are two locks indicated in the color pink. They are controlled and meant to keep the water level in the pipe on the left side stable. They're designed to let an object through without letting air in. Now, on the bottom part, you can see a little gear or sprockets. That is meant to be turned by the floating object that floats through the pipe and falls down. The energy from the flywheel or the gear is stored electrically inside the base. Once the ball is at the bottom, it rolls back down to the starting position. It will eventually end up underneath the water. At the end of the ramp, there's a pipe, and that pipe goes underneath the water. Now the pipe on the bottom lets the ball go through and end up under the water with little resistance. The ball is suctioned through, and then once it gets to the end, it floats back up to a big pipe at the starting position, which will reset the whole mechanism. Okay, with that established, let's watch the whole mechanism in action. Okay, that was basically all in this animation. Now there's some important parts to note. For the system, this is just a model. So in real life, if this were to be implemented, it would be a much higher altitude, which the balls will be allowed to float up to. This will generate more energy as the ball comes down. If we increase the altitude, we have to use a pulley and a motor to generate power rather than the gears. So that's basically it for the overall idea for this mechanism. It's just a simple Blender animation that I put together over a day. Now, I put some hard work into this, trying to animate. I'm not the best animator, but I would like to hear some feedback. If anyone sees this video, leave a comment below on how I can improve this idea, or mention some ways I can implement this in the future. So that's it for this video. Consider commenting, liking, subscribing, and check out these other videos that I posted. There are also other good ideas that I worked on that I want to get out there into the public. So thanks for watching. Peace. See you in the next video.